Yes, that's right, it's Joe here for Joyrider TV, and yes, that's right, it is blowing dogs off chains today, and yes, that's right, I've recruited 2 stunt people to perform on today's video sledging number 2. We have got, all the way from Hungary, we've got Heli, a rising star in the Nacra 15 class, and then all the way from the south coast of England, we've got Johnny.
Hello.
Now, it is very windy out there, so we're going to take some safety precautions. Although this is a Dragoon, these guys are not youths. They are both, as far as I know, over 18. So this is legal. Video sledging number 2. That's right, once again, we are rolling, this way Robbie, with Speedboat Robbie.
And we're back.
For some more Speedboat Robbie pass the test. Oh, they're off already. We want to get them before they capsize. Okay, so once again, Johnny is out on the trapeze, displaying that fine stance that he displayed last week on the 16. Oh yeah, Heli's out on the wire as well. Things are looking a little bit exciting on here. It certainly is windy enough for this little bad boy to deliver the juice. So, massive gusts coming up. What's going to happen? Can they hold it? Here it comes. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. And there's some pace there. All right, so Heli's going for Traveller about halfway out. Yeah, Johnny didn't really look at the jib luff tension before he went. Oh, careful round the front of this yacht, guys. That's all we can say. They're sailing the Dragoon, which is a 13-foot youth boat from Hobie Cat, and it really seems to be performing well for them. They're using the crossed leg technique on the trapeze to get their weight a bit closer together, and they are really chugging through this strong wind very nicely. Oh, bit of a shift there. Not only is the wind quite gusty, strong, it's also changing direction a bit as well. Now I think Johnny's a little bit far back on the trapeze, but if he steps forward right now and pitch poles, that would be my fault. Are you far enough back, Johnny? Woohoo! All right, a lot of funk in that jib due to a lack of luff tension. Oh my word! Oh, okay. All right, I think the tabloids might have something to say about that. Now, the Dragoon is a very small boat. Should be quite easy to right after the capsize. I reckon you might, if you go for it, it'll probably twist round as it comes up. It's only a little one. Climb the rope. Oh yeah, there we go. And we're back upright. It's the Flying Fish Rescue Team.
Is everything okay?
They've come for a look. We've got an inverted cam.
Oh no.
And we're back underway. There's Johnny back out on the trapeze, jib sheet in hand, main sheet in hand. Heli just revving up to get back out. So as we move further out in the bay, it looks windier, but perhaps a bit steadier. Definitely high 20s wind speed here. Now they've got this cross-legged, kind of sharing the wind stance on the trapeze, which does put the team a lot closer together. But the reason I don't favour it is because if the crew gets hit by a wave, he'll then knee the helm in the back of the knee, causing some sort of malfunction to the bodily parts. Oh, bit of bow there. Don't give them too much weight though, just go upwind a little bit. Okay, yeah, so these guys are doing a great job. Big gust coming up, but before the big gust, a big hole. See how they get on with this one. And then it's probably time to start thinking about turning round. Yeah, go for it. Okay, so I think they're going to go for a jibe. Oh, the bows are in! The quarterback has taken one again. It's not going to take much to get it up in this direction. Stop it flipping over. They're really going to have to go for the dolphin striker. Right now is the time. Johnny's gone for the over the leg there. We've heard about Johnny trying that manoeuvre. Usually late at night in the Zeus bar. Heli back out on the trapeze. Straight line back in from here. Again, the cross leg technique. Is Johnny playing enough main sheet? Put it in the comments below. I think these guys, after 2 capsizes, might be thinking in terms of let's not push it too hard. We don't want to swim again. 2 swims is a laugh. 3 is a bath. Really punching some chickens there as we come down here. Probably on a close reach. Boat speed, I would say, is in the vicinity of 12.78 knots. That's a lucky guess. Let's see if Telemetry Overlay agrees. Telemetry Overlay, of course, is the finest gauges you can put on your videos. Check out the link in the description. Use the Joyrider code and get a juicy discount. And I'd get a bit of cash. So here we go. These guys are really doing a good job. Robbie's keeping his distance this time. Very, very nice of Robbie there. Okay, so as we're approaching the finish line, I think you could say these guys have done extremely well in these conditions. One thing they might have wanted to do is a bit more jib luff tension, but that was all boat preparation back on the beach. Maybe some jib luff tension, a bit of mast rake might have helped to lift the bows a bit so they don't feel like they have to hang off the back quite as much. That main sheet does not seem to be moving very much. Watch out for this kiter, dude. Maybe go, oh, nice shot though, great shot. All right, there's a kite surfer coming the other way, and anything could happen here. All right. So here we go. This could be the last big gust of the session. The kite surfer's looking at the Dragoon in a kind of what the heck is that kind of way, boosting some massive air. Oh my word, never seen anything like it. And we're bringing her home. All right, put it in the comments below. Did Heli do a good job? Put it in the comments below. Did Johnny do a good job? There we go, they're getting a bit of breeze now as we enter in the danger zone as the armada of windsurfers starts to approach. Watch out. Sorry, I know you got this. So still charging right to the end. It's probably time for these guys to ease down on the juice and get back on the boat, ready for a good safe docking. So thanks very much for watching. Thanks very much to Johnny and Heli for doing a great job on the Dragoon. Johnny really should get in on the trapeze there. And of course, thanks very much to Speedboat Robbie for a bit close at times, but that's how you get the shots.